On today's video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on CPAGRIP. This is a very easy method. It does not require any experience to get started. And the best part is that I'm going to show you an offer that will pay you $6.84 per every lead that you get. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGRIP accounts. Once you create your CPAGRIP accounts, you are going to come to this site. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to earn money on CPAGRIP. As you can see, a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. If you get a lead to this particular offer, you are going to be earning $2.05. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. But the challenge on CPAGRIP is that the offers are country specific, which means you have to promote these offers to a specific country. You don't have to promote it worldwide. As you can see the country right here, so you have to promote the offers to people in the United Kingdom. But the best part is that if you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, you can just come right here and search for any country that you have a traffic source. So in case you have a traffic source in your country or elsewhere, you can just search right here for the name of the country so that you can get offers to promote in that particular location that you have the traffic. So for example, I'm just going to search for Austria right here. So as you can see, this is Austria. As you can see, once I search for Austria, you can see different offers that I can promote in that country to earn money. You can see this offer right here. If I get people to submit their mobile phone numbers to receive this particular offer in Austria, I'm going to earn $11.98. They don't have to buy the product. All that they need to do is that they have to just enter their mobile numbers, and I will be earning $11.98. You can see another one right here, $4.71. You can see another one right here, $8.21, $11.98. As you can see, there are many offers that you can promote in this particular country to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. One good thing about these offers is that they are mobile friendly. As you can see, all mobile devices. So you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in Austria to complete these offers for you to make money on CPAGRIP. So in case you don't have a traffic source in Austria, you can just come right here. As I said earlier on, just search for the country that you have a traffic source. So in this case, I'm going to search for Belgium. That is where I have a traffic source. So as you can see, Belgium right here. Once I search for Belgium, you can see different offers that I can promote in that country. You can see this one right here. The payout is $1.37. As I scroll down, you can see different offers that I can promote to earn money on CPAGRIP. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. It is allowed on only desktop, and you can see that they have to enter their mobile numbers, and I'll be receiving $6.84. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to promote this offer right here. You can see the requirement is only mobile numbers, and you can see that it's allowed on all mobile devices. So once I get people to enter their mobile numbers to get access to this particular offer, I'm going to be earning $6.84 per every lead that I get. So anytime you get a lead, you are going to be earning money with this offer. They don't have to buy anything. They just have to enter their details to get access to the offer, and you are going to be paid. To promote the offer, you are just going to click on it so that you can get access to your affiliate link. So just click on it right here. Once you click on it, you can see the details of the offer. You can see the payout right here. You can also see the details right here, but the language is in Dutch. You can use Google Translate to translate all these sentences so that you understand them. So as you can see, this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning here. The offer is only allowed on mobile devices. You can see it's only allowed in Belgium. So you must get traffic in that particular country so that you can get this particular payout. As you can see, $6.84. So now the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get the right people to take the necessary action for you to make money on CPAGRIP. So the website that we are going to be using today is spydeals.be. This particular website allows you to post products that are selling at a discount. You can give away products on this platform. You don't have to pay to post your offers here. It is free, so you can just create your account so that you can get access to this particular website. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 90.93% of the people who visit the website are from Belgium. You can see it right here. So now when we promote the product on the platform, we are going to get the right people to take the right action for us to earn money on CPAGRIP. So now when you come back to the website, you can see everything is in Dutch. To translate the text here, just come right here and then click on this particular icon. You can see the language is Dutch. If you want to translate to English, just select that so that the text here will be translated. As you can see, that has been done. So now you can see the categories of products that you can promote on this platform. You can see baby and child, you can see beauty, you can see electronics, food and drinks, games, free, fashion accessories, vacation, you can see living, household and garden. You can post products into any of these categories for free without paying for anything. So the next step is that you are going to create your free account so that you can post the offer here to get people to take the action for you to be making money on CPAGRIP. So just come right here, click on login right here. Once you click on login, you are going to click right here to sign up for your free accounts. So I'm going to log into my account so that I will show you the rest of the details. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, many products that people are posting on this platform, as you can see. So now in order for you to get your post approved, what you have to do is that you have to start giving value to this particular website so that they will know that you are not a robot, you are a real person who wants to contribute in this website. So as you can see, a whole lot of different offers. So you can just click on an offer like this. Once you click on it, you can just like the offer. Once you like it, you are going to scroll down and then give a comment. You can just give any comment about the offer that you are seeing. So for example, just say good offer. So just something like this. Once that is done, just click on reply. You can see it has been replied. So once you comment and like other posts on this website, they will get to know that you are someone who is here to contribute. But if you start posting your deals without contributing to the website, your post is not going to be accepted. They will see it as a spam. So make sure you contribute first before you post your offers onto this platform. So now once you contribute to the platform, the next thing is that you are going to post your offer right here so that you can get people to click through and then take the necessary action. So just come right here, click on share deal. Once you click on share deal, you can see what do you want to share. So you are going to select offer. So once you click on that, you can see where can you find the offer. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link so that anytime people click through your post, they can get access to the offer. So just go back to CPAGRIP, copy your link and then paste it right here. As you come back to CPAGRIP, just click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to the website and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste that, click on next one. Once you click on next one, you are going to upload the image of the offer that you are promoting. When you come back to CPAGRIP, you can see this is the image of the offer. Just right click, select save image as so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select the image and then click on open so that it will be uploaded right here. So once that is done, you are going to enter the new price. So that is the promotional price. So right now you are going to select $00. Once that is done, you can see lowest price elsewhere. So that is optional, just forget of it. You can see shipping cost, that is optional, just forget of it. The next one is the title. So for the title, you have to write a minimum of 30 characters. So when you come back to CPAGRIP, you can see this is the title of the offer. So what you are going to do is just copy it. So once you copy it, you are going to translate so that you understand the meaning of this text. So you are going to be using Google Translate. So just paste it right here. So once you paste it, you can see buy Kids TV now. So that is the translation of it. So now what you are going to do is that we are going to add something to it so that it will reach the 30 characters. So right here you are going to select English. Once you select English, here will be Dutch. So now you can see buy Kids TV now. That is the meaning. So we are going to add something to it before this promotion ends. This is the lowest price you can get. This is the lowest price you can get. As you can see, this is the translation. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your product and then paste it right here. Once you paste it here, you are going to write a description. In the description, you need a minimum of 50 characters. You can copy the title as your description, so just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. But we are going to add something like click here to get access now. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to Google Translate and then delete this particular text. Type something like click here to get access now. Just simple as this. So once that is done, just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your description and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So just come back to CPAGRIP. Once you are here, just click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to highlight the call to action. Click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, you can see right here, enter the link URL. Just paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, click on OK. So now, as you can see, this text is now linked to our affiliate link. So anytime people click on it, they are going to get access to the offer. So now we are going to select baby and child because that is what the product is about. So once that is done, you are going to come right here, select the location. So you are going to select all locations in Belgium. So just select them. So once that is done, you are going to select the start date and the end date, the day you want to start the promotion and the day it will end. So just come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select today's date. Once that is done, the end date, you are going to click on it, and you can just put any end date right here. You just want to scare them so that they can take the action very fast. So you can just select 9th, or you can select any date. Once that is done, you are going to scroll up and see if there is any detail that you need to enter. As you can see, there is nothing of that. So you can just scroll down and then click here, place deal, so that your deal will be posted. As you can see right here, thanks for adding your deal. A moderator will first look at your deal. So that is it. The moderator will look at it and then post it onto the platform. It's just simple as that. You don't need to do anything else. So just click on OK. Once that is done, you can post another offer onto the platform. So make sure you keep on posting different offers onto the platform. Once you post your offer here, you can also find forums whereby you can get people in Belgium to complete the offer for you to make money. So what you have to do is that just search for best online forums. Once you search for that, you are going to come right here, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you are going to select this option right here, advanced search. Once you click on advanced search, you can see right here any language, you can see any region. So in the region, you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different countries that you can select. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to search for Belgium. As you can see Belgium right here, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that is it. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on advanced search so that you can find forums in Belgium whereby you can contribute and then post the offer onto the forums for the people to complete the offer for you to make money on CPAGRIP. So just click on it. Once you click on that, you can see these are us. Just scroll down so that you can find forums in Belgium. As you can see it right here, European Internet Forum. You are going to join that so that you can be posting your offers there. You can see another one right here, Safer Internet Forum. That is also a forum that you can join to promote your offer. When you come here, you can see Internet Governance Forum. So you are going to go through and then join many of the forums so that you can be posting your offers to people in Belgium. You can see this one right here, Open Forum. You can see it is in Belgium. You can see a whole lot of them that you can join. So now once you join those forums, you are going to be posting the offer there so that you can get the right people to take the right action for you to make money on CPAGRIP. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.